10440 sloping hill. There is a short driveway, and I don't believe you can park on the street just because no one else is parked on the street. But this is a gated community, and the property has been rehabbed. We're pretty close to the 215 as well. So we have tiled steps here. What looks to me like laminate. We need 3 blinds in this room. We have really high baseboards, bluish gray paint, recessed lighting, and new looking smoke detectors. Quartz counters, painted cabinets. We need a fridge. We need 1, maybe 3. I'm gonna guess 3 blinds in that window because it's so wide, so I'm just gonna count that as 3 to be safe. So 4 blinds, and we'll see if the property manager says we need something on this door, because sometimes we don't. We may want to install pavers here so you have usable space. Or not, because the house is small, so maybe we don't need it. That's the property manager's call. Carpet looks new. We need a blind in here. We have closet door guides and a rod. It doesn't slide very well though, so we like to have the handyman take a look at that. We painted in here as well, but you need to close this to open the garage door. Floor looks nice. That is the smallest garage opener I've ever seen. We need a shower rod in here. I don't think we need a blind. Upgraded light fixture, quartz counters, painted cabinets. Okay. Let's head upstairs. So even though this isn't the largest house, it has a loft. So that's great. Need a blind here. I don't know if we need one there. So this is my eye level right here. Can't see across there. We definitely need one here. So we need a shower rod too. And 2 blinds in the bedroom.